नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं हूं रोहित पराडकर और ये है होंडा की नई अमेज। चालू करते हैं फ्रंट एंड से बिकॉज दिस इज़ वेयर ऑल द मीट लाइज। नाउ दिस इज़ द थर्ड जनरेशन ऑफ द अमेज। इट्स ऑलरेडी बीन इन द इंडियन मार्केट, the Amaze, since 2013, right? 2013 में first generation आई based on the Brio hatchback. Then in 2018 we again had a new one based again on a Brio hatchback, but that Brio never came to India. It was only for the rest of the Asian market. Now this is the third generation model, and I have a feeling that it is based on the chassis or the basic platform as the second generation Amaze, but we'll get that clarification from Honda later. Why I'm saying that is because the length, the wheelbase is exactly similar to the outgoing car. लेकिन यहाँ पे एक ज़्यादा वाइड स्टांस देने की कोशिश की गई है. सो दैट इज़ समथिंग दैट यू विल सी इन द फ्रंट एंड ऑफ द व्हीकल. सो व्हाट यू गेट नाउ इज़ अ नाइस twin pot layout for the headlights, जो instantly इस गाड़ी को एक premium look देता है. And then you also get these beautiful LED DRLs on top, which also double up as the turn blinkers. और उसी के ऊपर आपको मिलेगी एक बहुत बड़ी क्रोम राव. अब बहुत लोगों का मानना ये है कि यार ये तो होंडा सिटी की तरह दिख रही है, यू नो, एंड होंडा सिटी को आए काफ़ी टाइम हो गया है, सो व्हाई आर दे डूइंग दैट. ओके, लेट मी करेक्ट यू अ लिटिल बिट. यू आर नॉट कंप्लीटली रॉन्ग, लेकिन दिस इज़ ऑल्सो होंडाज लेटेस्ट डिज़ाइन फिलोसफी. सो अगर हम होंडा की नई गाड़ियाँ देखें, इंक्लूडिंग द सिविक और द प्रिलूड, द स्पोर्ट्स कार दैट इज़ नेवर गोना कम टू इंडिया, उसको भी अगर देखें तो उसमें भी आपको एक सिमिलर डिज़ाइन थीम नज़र आएगा जो आपको यहाँ पे नज़र आ रहा है. सो दैट इज़ क्वाइट नाइसली डन. अदर प्रीमियम बिट इज़ द ग्रिल. आई लाइक द डिज़ाइन ऑफ द ग्रिल. जो एक पैटर्न उन्होंने यहाँ पे बनाया है, आई थिंक इट लुक्स क्वाइट नाइस. एंड देन यू गेट दैट क्रोम लाइनिंग ओवर देयर एज वेल. नाउ दिस इज़ ऑब्वियसली गोइंग टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ वन ऑफ द एक्सेसरी पैक्स. द क्रोम लाइनिंग इज़ नॉट स्टैंडर्ड. You also see that chrome lining up there. Fog lamp की अगर आप हाउसिंग देखेंगे काफ़ी स्पोर्टी लगती है, and I think it looks better without that chrome. You get that projector beam fog lamp right down below as well. And these twin pot lights that I'm talking about, they are again multi-beam LEDs that you see. So the overall performance of the headlights is much better than the competition. ये Honda का कहना है, Honda का claim है. You will see more chrome lining over there, again not something that is standard. Now this is the blue color that we all love on the Honda City, so you're getting that here on the Amaze as well. That again contributes to that premium feel. Other bit is the dual tone alloy wheel that you see here. Now this is a 15-inch wheel. I think थोड़ा बड़ा देना चाहिए था, 16-inch का ऑप्शन होना चाहिए था at least on the top end variant. जो 15-inch के alloys हैं वो आपको मिलने वाले हैं from the VX variant, which is the second variant. 3 variants ऑफर पे हैं, V, VX and ZX. So VX से आपको ये मिलने वाले हैं. These are shod with 185/60 section tires. These are the MRF ZV-TV tires for reference. Now the mirrors again nice and chunky, but you will see it's not a 360-degree camera arrangement that you get. Even on the top end, you're not going to get a 360-degree. There is, however, a mirror on the other. There is, however, a camera on the other side, which gives you the blind spot assistant that we've seen with Honda cars. एक बार बूट की भी बात कर लेते हैं. द लाइटिंग इज़ नाइस एंड गुड. 416 लीटर्स की बूट है. तो जो पहले वाली अमेज थी 420 लीटर की बूट थी, तो उससे आपको शायद थोड़ी कम लग सकती है, बट नॉट रियली बिकॉज दे हैव ऑप्टिमाइज द स्पेस अ लॉट बेटर. तो जो ओपनिंग अपर्चर वगैरह है काफ़ी बढ़िया दिया गया है. सो गेटिंग 3-4 सूट केसेस, स्मॉल वंस, shouldn't be a problem at all. One big suitcase and some smaller items shouldn't be a problem either. So the space optimization is quite nicely done. And underneath you will see, so this is a rubberized mat that you see here, which is again great for our conditions. और उसी के नीचे आपको नज़र आएगा एक स्पेस सेवर व्हील. बट यहाँ पे स्पेस सेवर नहीं, आई थिंक दिस इज़ अ फुल साइज, बट यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू गेट an alloy wheel here. It's not a full size. It's a 175/70 R14. So it's a space saver. It's a smaller wheel. You're not getting a full size wheel here. But that is also the wheel size that you're going to get on the base V trim, right? So 175 section tire is what you will get on the base trim. But they have increased the overall insulation, not just around the boot, but even on the boot lid. So that's done. Once the boot is closed, I'm going to show you the tail light. Let them shoot right now. लेकिन बाकी चीज़ों की बात करते हैं. इस एंगल से एक बार गाड़ी की साइड प्रोफाइल देखते हैं. लेट मी नो, डू यू थिंक दिस इज proportionate enough? Like I said, the length hasn't changed. It's 3995. Does it look proportionate to you? I think it does. Should have had those bigger wheels, like I said. क्योंकि it's not just the diameter. The other problem that I have with the wheel is basically the thickness. They should have been thicker because अभी वो थोड़े wheel arch के कुछ ज़्यादा ही अंदर जा रहे हैं, and I don't like that. यहाँ से थोड़ी सी under tired लगती है गाड़ी. So that's my only problem. अब यही अगर फ्रंट एंड की बात करें तो जो एक अपराइट स्टांस कुछ लोगों को पसंद आया था पुरानी वाली अमेज पे, कुछ लोगों को नहीं आया था. It's going to continue here as well. You get that really upright stance. I mean, you see the front end. But Pedestrian protection shouldn't be a problem at all. Honda has made enough tests to ensure that safety is of the highest order. And going with that, there is something very interesting. You will see that there is a camera right there. So that is for your camera based sensing, Honda Sensing ADAS. So this is now the cheapest car or the most accessible car in the Indian market to offer ADAS. So which is something that is a big deal. So for those of you who prefer having ADAS or who see value in having ADAS on an Indian car in India, there you have it. This is now the most accessible car that you can get. अब सेंसिंग एडास जो है वो आपको सिर्फ ZX वेरिएंट पे, ओनली टॉप एंड वेरिएंट पे मिलने वाला है. So you know, take note of that. So if you really need ADAS, it's only going to be available on the ZX. बट अब टेल की बात करते हैं. टेल पे भी वही उनका फोकस है कि गाड़ी को वाइड दिखाए, थोड़ा सा डिज़ाइन को थोड़ा वाइड बनाए, which is why you get these tail lights again inspired by the Honda City. But you get these really nice 3 lamps over here, or 3 lamps का detailing over there. That's again LED, and that is only going to illuminate when you brake. और उसी तरीके से आपको एक हाई स्टॉप लैम्प भी मिलता है. You can also go in for a sporty spoiler like this. I think it looks quite nice, but that again is an aftermarket accessory, but not aftermarket, but something that you get from the Honda dealerships. It's not going to be included in any of the variants. You can get this, and then you get that stop lamp here, because otherwise that thing is going to intrude into the vision for that lamp. So उसके लिए एक अलग से लैम्प उन्होंने दिया है. नीचे आपको वापस क्रोम गार्निश दिखेगा, which again is part of that optional pack, the styling pack, right? So this is essentially what you're going to get on the outside. You also get that shark fin antenna, which is not an accessory. That comes standard. It is going to be available even on the base model. Now the LED headlights, LED tail lights that we spoke of are going to be a standard fit across the range. और जैसे ही आप mid variants पे जाओगे, you're also going to get automatic headlights, which is another big thing. So you're going to get auto headlights, auto wipers, which is, I think, a really good addition. So that is another beautiful bit that you're going to get. I also want to show you the rear seat space once. Let me see if I can maybe request someone for that. Could you show the rear seat space once? यथार्थ 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 एक बार बैठ के रियर सीट स्पेस दिखाएगा प्लीज. 1 second. It's just on. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Just showing the rear seat space. So that is what your rear seat space is going to look like. Now the driver's seat has been adjusted to his height. Rohit, what's your height?
5'7".
5'7". And what's yours?
I'm 5'11".
He is 5'11". So you can see with the driver seat had adjusted that way. I think the legroom is really good. They have nicely scooped out the front seat. So legroom is good. Headroom is pretty decent as well. So for 5'11", it's actually better than the previous car. In the previous car with a 5'11" driver, we saw that he was almost touching the head. You also get these 3 headrests. They are not adjustable. Scobs दिए गए हैं. They are not adjustable, but you get 3 of them in the rear. So that's a really good thing. So you get whiplash protection for all the 3 occupants, even if you were to put 3 adults in there. Isofix child seat mounts are going to be on either ends, of course, and you also get that center armrest जो आपको नजर आ रहा है with 2 cup holders. अब सबसे बड़ी बात, rear AC vents. ये एक बहुत बड़ी कंप्लेंट थी लोगों की कि यार रियर AC vents नहीं दे रहे हो आप. तो रियर AC vents अब होंडा ने इसमें ऐड कर दिए हैं for the 3rd generation Amaze, and they have also said that the performance of the air conditioning is going to be a lot better than the outgoing car. उसको भी काफ़ी इम्प्रूव कर दिया गया है. अब स्टोरेज के मामले में यहाँ पे आपको एक सीट पॉकेट मिल जाता है बिहाइंड द पैसेंजर, बट नॉट बिहाइंड द ड्राइवर. और दरवाज़ों में आपको 1 लीटर बॉटल होल्डर्स मिलेंगे इन ऑल द 4 डोर्स. कप होल्डर्स तो हमने देख लिए, वैसे ही आपको आगे भी थोड़ी स्पेस मिलने वाली है, एंड यू आर गोना गेट कप होल्डर्स इन द फ्रंट एज वेल, जो हम देखेंगे वंस वी गो इन. नाउ इन टर्म्स ऑफ द विंडोज़, यू डोंट गेट एनी विंडो ब्लाइंड्स और एनीथिंग. So वो आपको नहीं मिलने वाला है, बट इट्स स्टिल अ लार्ज विंडो, सो दैट एरी फील शुड बी देयर. Plus you are getting a beige and black combo, so the overall feel should be quite airy. Now you don't get a sunroof, however. यहाँ पे कुछ additional scooping वगैरह नहीं किया है in the headliner for improving the headroom, but the overall headroom is quite good like we saw. But there is no sunroof. Desire में अभी आपको sunroof मिल रहा है, so that is something that people are going to compare for sure. You are getting really good ambient lighting though. You see the blue lights in here. You see it on the dashboard as well over there. So I think that quite nicely highlights the premium stance that this car is going with. आपको और जो दूसरी चीज़ नज़र आएगी, एब्सोल्युटली स्ट्रेट लाइंस है यहाँ पे. दैट इज़ अगेन टू एनहांस द विड्थ फ्रॉम इनसाइड द कार एज वेल. तो वो विड्थ का जो परसेप्शन है वो बढ़ाने के लिए दे हैव गॉन विद अ रियली हॉरिजॉन्टल स्टाइलिंग फॉर दिस. सो जो स्टीयरिंग व्हील है, अगर हम स्टीयरिंग माउंटेड कंट्रोल्स देखें ना विद द ड्राइवर्स हैंड्स ऑन इट, दे आर फॉलोइंग एग्जैक्टली इन लाइन विद द डैशबोर्ड, एंड दैट इज़ टू एनहांस दैट विथ लाइक आई सेड. और जो फ्लोटिंग इंफोटेनमेंट है, उसकी जो ऊपर की लाइन है, यू नो द एज हैज़ बीन लाइंड अप विद द अपर लाइन ऑफ द डैशबोर्ड दैट विल बी इन योर लाइन ऑफ विजन, सो यू डोंट हैव टू टेक योर आइज ऑफ द रोड. काफ़ी आसानी से आप इसको रीड कर पाएंगे. अभी 8 इंच का इंफोटेनमेंट सिस्टम है, एंड दैट इज़ गोइंग टू बी स्टैंडर्ड on all the Amaze variants. So I think that is a very nice thing. A lot of people are going to appreciate that. और उसी के नीचे अगर हम देखें तो आपको फिजिकल AC switches मिलने वाले हैं, फिजिकल switches मिलने वाले हैं. They are not going with that touchscreen stuff that we do not really appreciate on some of the Hondas. AC vents again have that nice horizontal look. I think that looks quite nice. उसी के नीचे अगर हम देखें तो you're going to get a wireless charging pad. उसके लेफ्ट में आपको दिखेगा 12 वोल्ट सॉकेट, एंड राइट पे 2 USB पोर्ट्स, बट फॉर सम रीजन दे आर USB A पोर्ट्स एंड नॉट USB C पोर्ट्स. सो लेट मी नो व्हाट आर योर थॉट्स ऑन दैट. उसी के नीचे आपको 2 कप होल्डर्स नज़र आएंगे, और यहाँ पे आपको नज़र आता है मैनुअल ट्रांसमिशन का गियर शिफ्टर. ऑटोमेटिक का भी ऑप्शन है. दिस इज़ वे यू गेट द ट्रेडिशनल हैंड ब्रेक, और उसी के पीछे यू गेट दिस नाइस आर्म रेस्ट फॉर द ड्राइवर, राइट. सो दिस इज़ essentially what you get. Now let's just go to the other side and see if we can step into the car and show you some of the details on the on the instruments. But like I said, let me give you that close up. That is where the camera is. You don't get any heads up display or any of that kind of tech as of now. Sub 4 meter गाड़ी है अभी भी, you know, so they are still they still have their limitations, but I think they have maximized whatever they could do with the sub 4 meter, in the sense कि safety के मामले में you're going to get 6 airbags as a standard fit inside the cabin. The other thing is the entire chassis is made up in 46% high strength steel, so even that is taken care of. And what I also like is the fact that you know, they aren't building cars only to Bharat safety standards, Bharat NCAP या G NCAP. इन्होंने इस गाड़ी की हाई स्पीड क्रैश टेस्टिंग भी की हुई है इन हाउस. ऑफ कोर्स दे हैव अ फैसिलिटी इन जापान, दे हैव आई थिंक वन मोर फैसिलिटी इन एशिया पैक रीजन्स, आई डोंट नो एग्जैक्टली वेयर, बट या दे हैव डन दैट. 50 to 64 किलोमीटर्स एन आवर पे इसकी क्रैश टेस्टिंग हुई है, एंड इट हैज़ कम अप इन फ्लाइंग कलर्स इज व्हाट Honda says, right? So this is what they're. Rohit, can I just shoot one clip of the instrumentation and then come back? Yeah, so that was the instrumentation that we are talking about. So you get a full color MID display. So ये part जो है वो full color MID display. This is your analog clock for the speedometer, and this is going to give you all the vital info like we saw in the Honda City, and also information for the ADAS. So that ADAS bit that I was talking about, so you get that ADAS info right there, and you see this switch over here, that is for the blind spot assistant. जैसे मैंने कहा, you do not get a 360-degree camera in this car. Camera system in this car. So you do have a reversing camera, of course, that you can see over here. And you also get the blind spot camera, which is going to be right here, right under the left wing mirror. So as I was talking about safety, so that is what you get, the blind spot assistant, 6 airbags as standard, then you have the ESC and all those kind of things, and then you also get the ADAS tech, that is Honda's sensing ADAS tech, which means it is a camera-based system and not a radar-based system, right? So these are the things that you're going to get on the vehicle. Let me know what are your thoughts about the Amaze. Let me know what do you think about the pricing of the Amaze. Before I sign off, let me also quickly show you the color, the other color option that you see. Now there are going to be a total of 7 colors, if I'm not wrong. So this is the red that you see here. 6 colors, sorry. So there are going to be a total of 6 colors. We saw the blue. This is the red over here for you. There are going to be 3 trims, like I said, V, VX and ZX. And we spoke of the rear space and everything. I showed you the space. But just to give you a quick idea, a quick overview, they say that they have increased space by up to 12 millimeters, the headroom by up to 12 millimeters compared to its closest competitor, which I think is the desire that they are benchmarking against. So that is something that I think is really good. If they are able to beat the desire on it, that's good, because that's the benchmark for a lot of people. The shoulder room is the same as the competitor, which I think is the desire, is what they're talking about. You can see a bit of that shoulder room right there. So that's that. Now, in terms of the ground clearance, it has increased marginally. Marginally, 170 millimeters was the ground clearance of the outgoing car. Here it is 172 millimeters. Let me remind you, the wheelbase, however, remains the same. Now, in terms of the engine, now you see the engine right here. Let's take a looky there. So that's your 1.2 liter engine, familiar engine. It puts out, it's a 4-cylinder engine, puts out 90 PS of power, 110 Newton meters of torque. Now you can have it with a CVT automatic or a manual. So the manual is obviously Honda, so slightly lesser on fuel economy compared to the automatic. The automatic beats it there. So the manual is going to be 18.65 kilometers to a liter, and 19.46 is going to be the CVT. What are the prices? Do you have the price list with you? Yeah, so the pricing starts at 7.99. That's going to be for the V variant, which is the base, and 10.90 for the ZX, which is the top of the line variant that you get on this car. Right, so I think that covers everything that I was talking about. I think with 6 airbags as standard, with that kind of safety, that pricing is really good. LED headlamps are again standard. What you are going to get in the VX over the base model is essentially alloy wheels, that camera, the blind spot assistant that we spoke of. So those are the two main things, and on the top end you're going to get the sensing, but most of the other things like the 8-inch infotainment, these LED headlights, all of that is going to be standard, so which is ando 6 airbags, right? So these three in my books are some of the biggest items that should make you happy about the Amaze. Now the final bit that I really like, let's move back to the blue car while these guys shoot the engine. जो एक चीज़ मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा पसंद है, that is the kind of warranty that they are offering. 3 साल की स्टैंडर्ड वारंटी आपको इसके ऊपर मिल रही है, and you can get 7 years unlimited extended warranty if you like. और अगर आप गाड़ी बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं चलाते, then there is even something better. अगर आप ज़्यादा गाड़ी नहीं चलाते, जैसे बहुत सारे बुजुर्ग हैं, मेरे घर में गाड़ी ज़्यादा नहीं चलती, so if my father was buying for example, 10 साल की वारंटी ले सकते हो आप एक्सटेंडेड. द माइलेज इज़ गोइंग टू बी लिमिटेड. 120 मतलब 1,20,000 किलोमीटर की माइलेज उसके ऊपर लिमिटेशन होगी. बट लाइक आई सेड, अगर आप गाड़ी ज़्यादा नहीं चलाते, दैट्स गोइंग टू बी परफेक्ट फॉर यू. 10 साल की वारंटी. सो द होंडा पीस ऑफ माइंड इज जस्ट गोइंग टू बी अमेजिंग विद दिस कार इन इफ यू साइन अप फॉर एनी ऑफ दोज वारंटी पैकेजेस. इंफोटेनमेंट में आपको कनेक्टेड टेक भी है, और जो कनेक्टेड टेक है 5 years की उसकी सब्सक्रिप्शन आपको मुफ्त मिलने वाली है विद द कार, एंड इट्स नॉट अ लिमिटेड पीरियड ऑफर और एनीथिंग. Is going to be standard. 5 years is what you're going to get standard. So now with that kind of pricing, with that kind of warranty on offer, with these kind of features on offer, what do you think about this vehicle? Would you buy this over a Desire if you're looking for a sub 4 meter sedan, or would you still buy the Desire? Either way, tell me why. What is it that you like about this car over the Desire? Or if you would not buy this car over the Desire, what is it that you would not like? और इस गाड़ी को हम बहुत ही जल्द चलाने वाले हैं, तो आपके जो कोई भी सवाल हैं इस गाड़ी के बारे में, या जो कोई भी आपके ग्रजेस थे पुरानी अमेज के बारे में, उसको भी नोट डाउन कीजिएगा. आई विल टेल यू इफ दे हैव फिक्स्ड इट और नॉट. एंड व्हाट एवर क्वेश्चंस यू हैव अबाउट द व्हीकल, जस्ट पुट इट इन द कमेंट्स और जस्ट डीएम देम टू मी or on the ODrive channel, and I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching this one. Until the next one, take care and drive safe.